Hello, welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. I hooked up 4 batteries I found in the garage. None of them are up to charge, but I hooked them up to a wind generator I just refurbished. And they still weren't getting the readings, and I checked the fluid level pretty low. So I filled them up with distilled water. That's what's recommended. And already I'm at 7.1, pretty much. So it's working. The wind generator is not spinning at the moment, but everything's better. Since I hooked it up to the charge controller. This charge controller is for a solar panel, one of the Harbor Freight solar panels, but it's going to work here. I'm going to make it work. All right. Enjoy.